It's Wednesday, March 15th. This is a midday SPY update, about 3 hours into trading. You can see after gapping down pretty big, we have a red day going. It's a 2-down day. There's still projections to take out the pre-market lows. And with the afternoon, we can still be heading down to this yellow line to turn the weekly chart, which is now, turning into a shooter bar, turning that red for the week. The magnitude of this 2-down trade takes us to the lows of Monday. So we'll see if we get there by the afternoon. But typically what happens, when you gap down big, we had the big gap down here pre-market, is you get a little choppiness along the way. For me, I actually made two trades on the SPY today, both of them base hit type gains, but nice gains. I was looking to go short pretty aggressively, and I shot a video how I went short here near, on this little move up to start the session on the second move down. It took about an hour. I scaled out and set up a no-risk trade. And then after watching it for like an hour and not following through, I just kind of exited the trade down here for a small gain. And then I went ahead and watched it closely. When we had the 2 up, 2 down, I bought SPY puts again here and exited near the lows of the day. And I still think there are targets below. It's just kind of a choppy, session. And to me, 2 nice trades is fine. Again, I bought that original SPY here at 637. I scaled out at 750. Then I bought some NVIDIA that worked out well. And then, I exited that trade. And then just recently, I bought the 390 puts again at 694. I scaled out at 8 to set up a no-risk trade, and I exited the trade at 824 at the lows. So kind of 2 base hit trades, and I still think we're heading lower. If you really want to hold on to runners, you could do so. It's just getting to midday, and it's choppy. And it's just one of those things where, even though I suspect it's heading lower, I'm fine taking a gain here and a gain here. But everything's still intact to continue lower. And we're just going to have to see how the market closes. I mean, if we somehow, by the end of the day or into the next day or two, can't get down to this magnitude down here and turn the weekly chart, and maybe we get a 2 up, something happens where we get an upside, that's always possible. You never know. But at the moment, everything's still working its way lower. So even if you got short somewhere up in here, you could still be holding on, never took out the highs of the day. And we'll just have to see how the day ends. I mean, at this point, it's just a matter of, watching for either continuation or some kind of reversal that would have to take out the kind of the highs of today and then work its way up to the midpoint of yesterday. I don't think that's going to happen in a crazy way, but maybe, we don't go as much lower as you would have thought given the 2-down day. So we'll find out by the end of the day, but overall good trading, this morning, which is my key time frame, on the short side. So let's just see how the afternoon goes.